I'm Jeff Williams with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Hyde Cooper Real Estate. Right now I'm coming to you from Village Creek Landing on St. Simons Island, Georgia. Now, what makes Village Creek a special place? It's one of the only public boat ramps on St. Simons, and it accesses the back rivers and the marsh area between St. Simons and Sea Island. You can actually get out to the Atlantic Ocean if you go far enough. This is a fantastic spot to bring a small boat or kayak and spend the day out in the marshes in the back river. You'll see all kinds of wildlife in this area, from manatees to alligators, all kinds of birds, wildlife, and it's a fantastic spot to fish if you like to fish. Village Creek Landing, as you can tell or not, they might be doing a little bit of work over here, which I think is great. Anybody that's had to pull a boat out here at low tide, Village Creek Landing is going to be glad to see they're doing some work out here. St. Simons Island, it's a very special place to live. If you're interested in knowing more, I hope you'll give me a call.